Is it possible to design a floor plan in the shape of the Lombardi Trophy? Let's give it a shot. The way I'm going to approach this design here is by separating the trophy into two, where the top part is going to be public spaces and the bottom part is going to be bedrooms. So the upper part would have things like dining room, kitchen, family room, and the lower part would be bedrooms, bathrooms, laundry room. The approach to the house is going to be through this long driveway here. There's no garage, so we're going to have outdoor parking. Now pulling up, we're kind of in the center of the house where we put the main entry, and that's kind of intentional so you can go to either side when you walk in. So the main entry space here is going to be equipped with all the things you need. There's going to be a coat closet there. There's going to be a two-piece powder room for visitors, a window in there for some additional natural light. And when you walk into the space, you're going to have the option to go left towards the bedroom area or go right towards the main living spaces or the public spaces. Now let's take a look at the bedroom areas. Intentionally, we put a hallway down the side of the house there that's between the bedrooms and the driveway. What we're going to do there is have some clear story windows. Those are going to be a bit higher above the floor. It's going to let in some natural light and still maintain privacy for us. It's also going to give us a bit of a sound buffer between the driveway and the house. Bedroom is located there. It's kind of an irregular shape, but it still works. Good furniture placement. Walk-in closet in the back corner and a 4-piece bathroom directly and only access from within the bedroom. Farther down the hallway, we're going to have the laundry room, and this is strategically between the two bedrooms. Washer and dryer there, countertop with a laundry sink, and it's a generous size there too, so there's room for lots of work. At the end of the hall is the primary bedroom. Now, the primary bedroom is occupying kind of the front of the house, so this would be better suited for a quieter street, but it's got huge windows up at the front for great natural light and great views out the front. We did decide to go through the closet on this one to access the ensuite bathroom. We did consider maybe putting a small hallway between the two, so building a wall there and then having you go either left into the closet or right into the ensuite. But for this example, we're going to keep the closet the way it is and walk through that. Double vanity there, window in the bathroom. Large walk-in shower at the end, so kind of a focal point when you walk in. We've got a tub directly across from the window for a nice view out, and a small toilet room there for privacy, so two people can share the bathroom. The whole primary suite is kind of set up in that irregular shape, but it still has a pretty usable layout, as you can see there. For the more public side of the house now, that's going to be in the top part of the trophy, we're going to put the stairs near the main entrance there. Those are going to go up to like a loft or a rec room area above the main living space. We're going to tuck the family room in the bottom left there. It's going to have a nice wide fireplace and some display shelving on each side. So it's also up against that exterior glass wall with great natural light. You can bypass that room, go directly to the kitchen or to the dining room. Dining table is strategically placed there so you can have beautiful views out to the garden and also direct access to the yard. And we did this cheeky move where we moved the curtain wall in so it aligns with the seams on the trophy, so you check that out at the end. The kitchen area is tucked in the top right corner there, so we've got some curved countertops happening on that wall there. The island is about 10 feet long, so good for about 4 or 5 seats. So we're going to have a whole opportunity there for additional lower and upper cabinets there, and access from the kitchen directly into a pantry. So the overall square footage for this design is 2,570 square feet. For my metric friends, that's 239 meters squared. And the overall dimensions for this plan are as follows: 99 foot 2 inches long, which is about 30.2 meters deep, and the width of it is about 35 feet 9 inches or 10.9 meters wide. So there it is, my floor plan for the Lombardi Trophy. Take a look, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what changes you would make. Check out some of my other fun shaped floor plans. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.